Aido. Aido. No. Nadine.
They let you out?
Yeah, they let me out.
I'm on my way over now.
And you asked to do one thing.
What?
I had a fella leave a message on your phone for you.
What fella? I didn't get any message.
Ah, yeah, bullshit me now, Nadine. You were asked to take me budgie in from outside. That's all you were asked to do, and now he's fucked. Dead. Frozen in the bleeding cold he was. You stupid, miserable bastard.
What are you on about? I didn't get no message.
Oh, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Don't bother coming over here. Take yourself back to whatever his name is, yeah? Your husband.
What about me clothes?
They're burnt already.